Hello, my name is Verena Thiele. I'm a conference manager at K.I.T Group. In the MICE industry, hybrid concepts are rapidly gaining importance as an extended development of on-site events. This evolution is made possible by progressive digitalization. Venues continue to play an essential role for hybrid events, both for the on-site participants and to organize the virtual element. As a result, there are expanding criteria for finding a suitable venue. First of all, venues need to have the proper technical capabilities and infrastructure for the virtual online platform to keep the virtual content working consistently and smoothly. Exceptional Wi-Fi is no longer optional. However, an internet connection alone cannot be the deciding factor. Internet bandwidth and connection speed need to be checked to ensure that your remote audience will not have any issues while viewing your live stream. In addition to equipment, the spacing of the venue is another crucial factor and can be complex. It is important to have enough space for the attendees on site, as well as your virtual event requirements. Increased setup time at the venue will be needed to test everything in advance and ensure all technical equipment is working. On-site staff or in-house support who understand and can operate all the venue facilities will become increasingly valuable. Sometimes venues can provide a list of their preferred suppliers who are well acquainted with the equipment. Venues should show that they offer health and safety protocols, social distancing arrangements, and safe food and drinks. So, hybrid events or events that combine in-person and virtual experiences will be an essential part of the new normal in the MICE industry. The venue plays a critical role in delivering a consistent experience across all channels.